Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, last time we tried to take the P1 out and it wouldn't start. Funny thing I learned, there's a little cap over here. Unless you put this cap inside and twist it, it will not start the car because it's going to tell them something about the battery, the whole circuit is not connected. That's what the dealership told me.
That was better news than the whole thing being dead.
Because the battery will cost you over 100 grand to replace. And I'm told these cars will have a life of about 10 years on a battery, and a lot of the P1 customers have already replaced it, so I know how painful it is, and I was really worried. That's what I have to do. And here's the cap. Until it makes it click, and we close it. That doesn't mean I still don't have to pray to make sure it starts. Don't do this to me. Maybe it's just sleep. Just wake up. Okay, you keep the key. Well, maybe I shouldn't have closed the door. Hey! What is going on here? Alright, let's move the Bugatti out of the way while this warms up. Another prayer to make sure this one turns on. Success. Woo. We're almost there. Well, we had a lot of rain in California, as you guys probably seen on your news, and today is nice and dry. So we'll just warm up some tires. Good Lord. This car never ceases to amaze me.
Do you remember the last time you put gas in this car?
No, probably was 1995. I'll be right back. Uh-oh.
Did you have a dream car when you were little?
Yeah, Mercedes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I drew a picture of a 500 SL convertible Mercedes when I was 16 or 17. Absolutely ridiculous. Alright, every time I drive this car, I'm speechless. No joke. All my other cars are fast too, and I do probably say wow, 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 incredible, but this one actually is different. This one really, really takes my breath away when I drive it the way you're supposed to.
Do you have any 2023 goals for your car collection?
2023 goals. I absolutely do. Funny you shall ask. Well, I do want to eventually design my own car, and this year maybe the year.
Will this build off a current chassis, or is this are you starting from scratch?
No. It would be going off the existing chassis. I mean, to do an R&D and develop a whole new chassis, you're talking about millions of dollars just for the chassis. And I got no money for doing that. It's just ridiculous. It's like a go-kart. And if you haven't seen me inspect my GT3 RS, see my last video. Oh, and the Dakar.
You haven't been in this car since you've been in the Senna. What's the difference?
I don't know. People say Senna's faster. The Senna GTR supposedly faster, right? Lighter, more downforce. But straight away, this car definitely is faster. Cornering, obviously, I feel more safe in a Senna GTR than this car. But I don't track it. I, go for a 5-minute joyride. So this is a perfect car, in my opinion. I need a massage. This car makes me tense. No, but really, guys, you've heard me say it before, this is my favorite car out of my fleet, and one of my oldest cars compared to the Bugatti Chiron. Even the Pagani is newer than this one, but this car, I have to give it to McLaren engineers. I think it's as close as perfection when it comes to a hypercar as I've seen and experienced. So can't wait for the replacement of P1. Oops, is there a replacement? Man, that was a best joyride I've had in a long time. Woo! Well, I guess we go from this to this. Let's go check it out.
When did you get this?
I bought it last week and I totally forgot about it because they dropped it off, you know, out of sight. Whew, it was getting a little hot. I had to take off my jacket. Hey, box within a box. What do you know? Oh my God, another box. Oh my God, another box. How many boxes you guys gonna make me open? Oh, never mind. This was easy. Hey, that's pretty cool. Man, I wish I kept my blue and black Bugatti Veyron. This would have been a perfect match.
Oh, what?
Make sure I hit my other Bugatti.
No, the other Bugatti.
I need to put the screw in here, otherwise the steering wheel is gonna fly off. Yep. Nice black card, Bugatti. Probably won't even buy me a soda.
What made you want to get one?
You know, I don't know. Somebody made the mention you need to check out the Bugatti scooter. And I've seen it online. They said, no. We've seen it in person. You gotta get one. It's really cool in person. And they were right. So far, I like it. I'm gonna look like a midget riding this. This is made for Michael Jordan. Paul, does it go down? Oh, man. There we go. Remind me to add this to my insurance policy. Holy sh**. Whoa. Woo! Look, Mom, it's a Bugatti. No, it's a Bugatti.
A Bugatti. Hey.
You know, I'm used to my segways.
Yeah.
You know, I leaned back, but it wasn't stopping. Woo! Well, guys, I can't say it gives me the P1 experience, but for 1,200 bucks, it's a whole lot of fun. I'm gonna have some fun with it. I think it needs a full charge though. Yeah, so we'll give it a try after it's fully charged. Well, I'll take it to the new building, do some labs, and get back to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be well, and see you guys on the next one. So I sold this for 40.7 million 2 years ago, so I made about close to $12 million. Residential investors work longer hours for lower returns compared to commercial real estate investors. CONTRARIAN Academy helps residential investors successfully acquire their first commercial property in 6 months or less. There's a lot of pockets of opportunity where you can take great real estate that's located in great location and repurpose it. While one state, for example, Houston, that's heavily invested in oil and gas industry is experiencing a recession, you may have another state like California experiencing the economic boom. You don't really have to wait for a global economic recession to jump out and invest your money and buy real estate. Apply now by clicking the link below.